pressure, I guess. As I get older, I'm just more or less behind the times, I guess. Alright, let's be careful, be really careful with this. This is like the best thrifty iMac, so I don't want to ruin it. Alright, so I'm going to try to see. Oh, this is going. Alright, so all I can do is I can just probably. Yeah, I don't need to have a screwdriver. Okay, yeah, okay, so this is a pretty big iMac. The other one that I worked on this, the G4 iMac in the same space, but the monitor. This is like a 27-inch. I don't know. It doesn't tell. Oh, iMac 20. So it's a 20 wide. Screws on right here. So I looked online on how to get a stuck slot drive out. You know, a lot of times it's the software, but it's not even the software. This one was blatantly having hardware problems, and the only way to do it is just manually do it. Alright, and then the two middle ones use 2 Phillips. So that will be relatively easy. Oh, I just felt that drop. I have the Phillips. I don't have Phillips available. Oh, dang. But I have the flat head screwdriver, so I can try to use it. I'd rather use a Phillips. Oh, alright, hold on. I can use this, use my fingers. Yeah, I can just take it from the iFixit kit here. And see if we can't. I'll have grip. Because I have the driver. No, it's not gonna work. Not gonna work. Alright, hold on. Let me try again. This guy should work. It's too small. Alright, this model's got a little different. It's got like a handle of sorts. did not look at the iFixit article for it. Yeah, looks like. Oh, I think I know what this is. I think that's the memory module. Interesting it would be in its own slot. Okay. It's a little strange. I don't know if I just screwed something up too. Darn. Why you hate this? Won't you hate this when this happens that I kind of on 512. It only takes one stick of RAM. Because that was what was reading on the system profiler. So, somebody's getting in the way. I think it's those tabs. There we go. We're almost. Just easy. Oh crap. Oh. Okay. Okay. So a little bit differently. Let's see the disk drive. Should. Right, let me flip it. Oh, all right. Probably some dust. It's probably. Oh, there we go. All right. Oh, and the camera. Oh, the camera is attached. Oh, it's probably the wireless too. Oh, that's not good. Is it detachable? I can't tell because I'm in dead light. I have no clue. Oh, I can disassemble it. Okay. Good. Alright. Got one little more. Okay, I have to take off the camera and the wireless spot before I can get into the nitty-gritty of the system. But, oh, got my mic tied up. Delete, I didn't rip it. Of course, it's not a standardized, it's not even for a Torx. Let's see if we have the right screw to take this off. Oh, darn it. Alright. Oh, careful. Alright, can I just do this ballsy thing? Just keep it delicate. Keep it like that. these pieces over here look like it's for the wireless. I'll probably ding them up a little bit. So I have to know that when I put that back in. So that's the power icon, that's the speaker, and the drive should be on my right. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna try to get. Oh, I didn't put the memory in here. The Mac will probably beep. I need to put the memory module back into the computer so I can boot this up. It's only one memory module. Oh golly. Which side is this going in? This way, right? Because the thing I like to do here is, if I can, if the label is towards me, I think. Oh, come on. That's not it, darn it. Oh, let me see if I can use my phone's selfie mode. Let's see where oh, this is a great idea. I feel like a genius. Oh, so there's 2 memory slots. Okay, that's good to know. I'm trying to get the right end in here. That's the album here. Alright, let's try another. Ah! There, I found that groove. Oh, come on. Okay. Turn this upside down with. Here, I think I just got it in. That would really suck. Alright, I didn't totally screw this up. Okay. gonna try this. Turn it on. So that's a good sign. Yeah, let me. I just seriously, I need to put the memory module. But I just saw some looking red. I think I ripped it a little bit by accident. Some nice microprocessors in here. There's the Wi-Fi. That. Try to do it with use my thumbs, try to strengthen them, and I'm like happy. It's in there too good.